This is my outfit for today.
It's a homework day.
I need help. Looks like a little. You don't answer to me.
So this is my outfit for today. We need to do some errands today.
I just got my new teddy black bag, and from the moment I opened it, I could feel the difference. Designed in Italy by luxury designer, every style blends timeless elegance with modern practicality. Made from premium Italian leather, it's soft, durable, and has that unmistakable luxury feel. Crafted by expert artisans in the same factories as high-end brands. With decades of experience in luxury leather, our artisans turned every teddy black bag into a work of art. Every detail, every stitch is perfect. And what I have here is Kim Stampado 9 inches in mocha brown. And it's perfect size for me. The sizes fit my phone, wallet, lipstick, and hand sanitizer effortlessly. And actually it still fit more. The difference? With Teddy Blake, you get real luxury without the luxury price tag.
Now I'm ready to go out with this style. This is my outfit for today. Hari ini kita mau belanja mingguan. Kalau lagi diskon kita belanja setiap hari Jumat sambil jalan-jalan. Kita sudah sampai di Costco. Setelah belanja, kita mau makan di Shorty Barbecue. Ini tempatnya. That's really hot. Thank you. Thank you. Fun. My second ticket. Ini ayam ketiga aku. Biasanya aku makan sampai 4 atau 5 potong ayam. Perut sudah kenyang. Thank you, baby. And brought some home. Can't finish all of them.
Let me see it on the bottom. Yeah, that's nice. Any chips?
I don't think so.
That's just a pretty good deal.
It's a homework day.
I need help.
It's nice and clean after they cut the grass. But it's raining. And it's cloudy.
Nah. That's it. That's it, ya. Kita ada semangka untuk dessertnya. Semangka, ada lengkeng juga, ada pisang. Ini ada lengkeng. Let's go play a little bit. Don't have any time for play outside.
It's look like, okay, this is ASMR throwing something in the thing.
Ini aku mau bikin kuahnya yang pedas sama yang nggak pedas. I have it.
What do you think?
Ini aku punya kaldu ayam. Aku bikin. Masih ada ayamnya. Lalu ini juga ada kaldu. Aku bekas pressure cooker tendon urat sapi. Pedas. Nah, untuk yang pedasnya aku pakai ini Sichuan peppercorn. Ini spesial untuk hot pot biar ada aroma hot potnya itu loh yang pedas. Ini kayak gini bentuknya. Lalu kita kasih bumbu. Bumbunya ada kaldu jamur, kalau tambahkan 1 sendok chili oil, 1 sendok aja. Aku tambahin fish sauce yang ini nih. Sedikit aja. Kalau masih kurang asin, kita tambahin garam atau soy sauce. Kita aduk-aduk dulu.
I have no idea where to put it. I'm sorry. Wow.
Okay, there is no salt.
Is it?
Yeah.
This one's heavy, people. And I'm
What is called?
rock hammer.
No.
What? It's a rock. I did it. And where I put this?
It's there, standing up.
Second how? Like that? Pasok. Hey, people, look at this.
So kita mau ngedekor, bukan ngedekor ya, menata.
I do not like that one.
Do not like what?
That one.
This one?
The cilantro.
It's not cilantro.
What is cilantro?
This is the one I hope you eat it too. I give it to you last
I don't
time.
like it.
I forget the name.
Cilantro.
No, it's not.
Give me that before I chop it off.
This is like Korean fish cake.
Look, the camera has hands. The camera has hands.
Ini ada mushroom.
I have one.
Ini ada enoki mushroom. Oke, lalu ini ada tofu. di sini. Stop.
Not with the meat.
So big. This is a wood ear. This is shiitake mushroom. Another wood ear, but the small one. And this is tendon.
Wait.
Tendon. Just a little bit.
Why?
A little bit further if you want.
Put a little bit more, please. Yay!
And then the meat.
I died.
Okay. Ini hotpotnya. Ini perdagingannya. Lalu ini ada sayurannya. Ini ada mie untuk anak-anak. Mereka suka mie. Kita taruh di sini. And for the kids dumpling first.
You put a little. You don't add it to me.
Okay, add it to you. You want this? Bismillah. Korean fish cake.
Yeah, fish cake.
Yummy. I want some noodle too. Wood ear.
Gosh, give me a big one, dude.
You want the big one too?
Yeah.
Good? Click up first too.
I can do that.
But this side will be faster because you have this and extra. It'll be
Like you walk back.
Why you laugh like that?
Yeah, why you laugh like that? You laugh like a crying dog.
That's evil, bro. That's evil. That's pure evil.
Serious, babe?
3.
Well, I can
Three
do
little.
2.
No, you can't.
That's cheating. I ever saw that.
No. And put this, but you have to put a secret way to stick it then. But do not do this, because that's cheating with their hand. Just only put it up. And then really unhard. And then, not like this. That's how it's. So you do this, and then you put it in. Yeah, hide it.
You can't.
Look at that. It's so easy. So you put your hand like this. And then you go. Yeah, you want that. You can do that with the other hand. I'm stuck. And then you do that. And eventually, you can do this. So, if you want, I can bring the trick to you. Wait. Hey, stop cheating. Cheater. It's cheating.
Yeah, whatever they want.
Fine, put here. Just you
She's still
go
learning.
cheat. It's not gonna make you too light, though. I need to go to here, bro. At least here.